it's like as a teenager, the most heartening fact, okay, the most precious moment in life can be the first kiss, and it's shown in this movie. And like it's the like a teenager loves to go against the rules. So that's also portrayed very beautifully in this movie, the rebellion part and sort of excitement, like this first time they are practicing for a war. That's going to be really interesting. Okay, we didn't get tickets here, we'll try for something else, but we have to watch this movie. And talking about the fan, actually both of us are most of a PVR and McDonald fan, but because of this fellow we came here today.
He's a greater fan, he's the biggest fan.
I read the books, I read all the books, and it's like I'll never miss a movie or the book.
Why do you like Harry Potter? I mean, is it a... People say it's, you might be touted as a children's literature, but it's actually not for children.
Yeah.
What do you say to that?
It's something new. It's not something that all the books offers. It started off, the Harry Potter series started off as a children's book, but then it has got people of all ages. I mean, it's got interest. That's the thing, it's about it's something different. It's about wizards, it's about witches, and it's about how they live normal lives along with the people of the normal people and how they mingle. It's a different this one. So
in this film, he loses his father figure, Sirius Black. So I mean, as a reader, as a viewer, would you be disappointed by after watching that? Because you're a Harry Potter fan.
Not actually. I'll see for the next movie.
Okay. And I mean, how crazy your friends and other people are. You move around in groups which are equally crazy about Harry Potter. You read Harry Potter, you discuss Harry Potter. I mean, how crazy you are.
Yeah, it's like, see, we have read all the books and we have internet forums in which we discuss about Harry Potter, and it's like, there's a book that's coming up, that's the last in the series, that's coming up on July 20th.
Waiting with bated breath for that.
Waiting for that, because in that shows the final, what exactly is going to become of Harry Potter, whether he's going to be killed off or whether he's going to triumph over Voldemort, who's supposed to be the evil wizard of that time. And then we discuss about it, and we discuss about whether J.K. Rowling, whether we agree with her or not. Even my sister also, she's also a very great fan, and we discuss with her and friends and all this thing. Yeah.
Thanks so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
So there were 3 disappointed fans who haven't managed to get tickets like many others at PVR Forum in Bangalore, Sumaira.
Right, Shelja, and we're going to give you a bit of a breather over there. Also, Vibha and Shelja, both of you stay on with us while we talk a little bit about Pottermania. Well, Potter's 5th film hits Indian screens today. Ahead of that, the film